Hey friends, it's Betsy from the Flourishing Place, and in today's video I am doing a Clean Mama Homekeeping Planner review. Well, if we haven't met before, my name is Betsy. I have a wonderful husband and two small kids and a third one on the way. And today I just want to do a quick review of the Clean Mama Homekeeping Planner. So the first thing I'm going to do is a quick walkthrough of the planner, and then I'm going to give you 3 pros and 3 cons for this planner. So this is just a quick walkthrough of the planner. It's got beautiful cover and several different designs you can choose from. And in the front, you'll find a quick start guide. This is where she just kind of goes through the basics of the Clean Mama cleaning routine, which is so helpful if you need a little review on that. And then ideas for how to get your planner prepped and ready to go. This is the 2024-2025 planner, obviously. So she has tabs. So you write your, let's switch to this one here. So you write your month there, and then at the beginning of every month, there's important dates to remember, goals for the month, and a quick declutter date, which is one date you set every month to do a quick declutter around the house, which is so nice because clutter gets away from us so fast. Then at the beginning of every month, you have a full monthly spread that shows obviously the whole month, and you have a monthly to-do list here if you would care to utilize that. Everything is fill-in, so you can start at any time, structure it how you want. And then for the individual weeks of the month, you've got obviously Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it goes through the whole week. And then she's got the checklist with the daily tasks here. You'll recognize those if you're familiar with the Clean Mama cleaning routine. And then down at the bottom, she reminds you of the weekly tasks: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Which just kind of keeps you on schedule, and you get the satisfaction of checking these things off as you do them, which I always love and helps me feel so accomplished. So that is basically how it looks through the entirety of the month. And then at the back of every month, she has a monthly checklist for different tasks. Now you can use this for however you want. I think it might be a good idea, if you're sticking to using this for primarily for your cleaning routines, is to put in some of the monthly tasks or rotating tasks that she has listed in her cleaning routine. That would be a great space for that. But again, it's a planner, it's a comprehensive planner, so you can use it for whatever tasks you want. It doesn't just have to be cleaning tasks. And then over here, you've got space for notes at the end of every month. Just nice to have if you need to jot things down. And then the next month starts over exactly the same. So that is basically the entirety of the planner. She does have at the end some cool fun stickers that are fun. And then towards the back here, she does talk about, there's more. Let me get to it here. So that's the last month. And then towards the back, your clean and organized home. And again, this is so helpful. These are all things that are in her book. So again, you don't have to have this planner to make this work, but it's so nice where she has it all included in here. So quick start guide again, and then rotating tasks and monthly focus, which is so helpful. You can just look back here and say, okay, what's coming up for February? And then it's the kitchen, and then she goes through the basics of what you need to do in that space. So you've got the focus areas, and then you've got seasonal and quick cleaning checklists, which are great. She has recipes in here for cleaning recipes, so that's great. Spring cleaning, summer cleaning, fall cleaning. If you are an organized type of person who likes to check things off a list, then this planner might definitely be for you. I look at these things and I just get excited about checking things off, but that is the total nerd in me. So you might look at this and be like, oh, let's just, just fills you with dread. And if that's the case, then this might not be the planner for you, but it is so nice. And then you've got extra space for notes in the back. And then, like I said, the stickers back here. And then that is it. All right, so first, the 3 pros for the planner. Number 1, this planner is beautiful. If you couldn't tell by doing the walkthrough, it's just a gorgeous planner. The colors are beautiful, it's laid out beautifully, and so aesthetically, This planner is just so great. Number 2 pro is that this planner is organized for you. It is laid out so well, month by month, week by week, day by day. It's laid out really well. And so if you are the type of person that likes to have something just kind of done for you, that you're not having to put a lot of thought into it, and someone has laid out the steps for you, has laid out the structure for you, this planner is very organized. Number 3, and this might seem kind of obvious, but it is meant to be integrated with the Clean Mama cleaning routine. So if you are someone that has adopted the Clean Mama cleaning routine, I've been doing it for about 3 years now, then this planner is great because it's set up to serve that cleaning routine on a day-to-day basis. However, another added plus is that it's not just for that. There are spaces in the planner to write different things. There's spaces to write your goals. And so it's more than a planner that's just about a cleaning routine, but I really do like that it is set up so that if you're doing the Clean Mama cleaning routine, obviously it caters to that. Okay, the cons. What are the downsides to this planner? Number 1, and this is the biggest one, and that is that this planner is expensive. This planner costs, at last checking, $58, which feels like a lot. Now, obviously, with some of the positives I mentioned, things like it being set up already for you for the Clean Mama cleaning routine and having all of that in there. And then when I showed you in the walkthrough all the additional material that she includes in there, it is nice. There is some benefit to that, but that's something that you need to evaluate. Number 2 con is you might feel like it's constricting. If you are the type of person who really flies by the seat of your pants, or who really does not like to be constricted by lists that are named and boxes that you have to check off, then this would not be the planner for you. But I would hazard a guess that if you're that type of person, you might do better with something like a bullet journal method, which is something that I used for years, where you kind of construct your own planner from scratch. So the con can be that this might feel too constricting for someone who's a little bit more of a free spirit. But again, that's not going to be a problem if you're someone who's looking to open a planner and just get started and not have to think a whole lot about how it's set up. Number 3 con, and this is why I waited 3 years to buy this planner, is what if you change cleaning routines partway through the year? What if you decide the Clean Mama cleaning routine is not for you and you're going to do something else while you bought this almost $60 planner and you kind of feel stuck? It wouldn't be the end of the world. Obviously, this planner, as you've seen, has calendar in it. You can write to-do lists. It doesn't just have to be structured around the Clean Mama cleaning routine, but it is definitely built for that and to make that whole routine easier. And so I would definitely consider, if you're really committed to this routine, before you buy the planner. I hope this was helpful for you. If you are interested in more videos on the Clean Mama cleaning routine, I will link some down below that I have done. And I will also link my Clean Mama cleaning routine review right up here if you're interested in watching that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you, 'cause there's so many ways that I want to carve out